is going to be very special. Today I am going to show you one of my wall art. It is very close to my heart. This is about 6 by 6 feet long. It is at my bedroom's wall. I have used acrylic colors for it and synthetic brushes. It took 21 days to complete the mural. I have done so much of hard work for it. You can see how detailed work I have done on it. Zentangle process had been used for it. Bright red, yellow, pink, white, black and green and blue colors are used on it. Hey friends, please let me know if you want to see more murals on my walls. Just observe the beauty and detailed work of this mural. So minute works are there, see? So much of designs are used on it and so many gentangles, different types are used and different colors are used. You may see how accurately it is done. I have given my 110% observation power as well as my patience power to give it more accuracy. Each and every parallel lines are joined with so much of delicacy and so much of care has been given so that the perfection should come. That's why it took 21 days to complete the mural. See the detailed work, how it is. So many things are added in it, so many color combinations are used. See how minutely one by one designs has been put on it. So I hope you like it. I have done so many mural works and they are so beautiful, and tomorrow I will show you one more mural of mine. So please subscribe my channel to support and press the bell icon so that as soon as I will upload the video you will get the notification.